Hello friends, welcome to Adventures in Food with Howard. If you've been here before, thanks for stopping by again. If this is your first time here, then welcome. Today's recipe was inspired by my love of coconut pecan frosting on a German chocolate cake. The first time I ever tasted a German chocolate cake was 1964. I was a very young child, but this cake made a big impact on me. The sweetened coconut with the crunchy pecans and the caramel-like brown sugar and butter made for an irresistible taste. The cake is good, but for me, the coconut pecan frosting is where it's at. It is simultaneously thick and rich while also being creamy and fluffy. I thought, why can't I take the best elements of coconut pecan frosting and put it into a pie? Well, here's the result. For this recipe, you will need 1 unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie shell, 4 extra large eggs at room temperature, 1/2 cup light corn syrup, 1/2 cup dark brown sugar firmly packed, 1 cup pecan pieces, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg. I usually start by putting the eggs in a large mixing bowl and using a whisk mix the eggs until they're one color. Then I add the corn syrup, which is always difficult to get out of the measuring cup, even though I oiled it. Next comes the melted butter, and then we just give all of that a stir. The corn syrup and the eggs will not want to mix initially, but just stick with it. It will eventually turn into a nice homogeneous mixture. Next, I add the salt, the nutmeg, and the pure vanilla extract. And I give all of those a stir. Then I add the brown sugar, whisking this well to make sure that any lumps of brown sugar have been broken up. You're now ready to add the coconut and the pecans. I would recommend switching from your whisk to a spoon or a spatula. Otherwise, the coconut and the pecans will just get stuck in your whisk. Once the coconut and the pecans have been mixed thoroughly, it's ready for the pie shell. Pour this mixture into an unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie shell. Place the pie into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for around 50 to 55 minutes. When done, remove the pie from the oven and set it somewhere to cool for at least 3 to 4 hours. When the pie has cooled to room temperature, you can cover it and place it in the refrigerator to chill. This pie tastes good at any temperature and goes great with vanilla ice cream or sweetened whipped cream. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified of all future videos. Also give this a like and leave a comment. I love hearing from you. Join me next time on the Adventures in Food with Howard. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.